Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kay Ree from CHEAR, and I'm here to show you a little trick I have when I'm making salads. So we often will buy these packs of like mini cucumbers or Persian cucumbers, and when we're done making salads, we often have like extra cucumbers that we don't have any more lettuce to make salad with. So we came up with a new recipe for the leftover cucumbers. So we actually had something like this at a restaurant once, and we came home and tried to make it ourselves. So it's really simple. You just cut up all the leftover cucumbers that you have that didn't quite make it into the salad. And you throw them into your bowl. And you just add a few things. So it took us a little while to figure out what the ratio was, but all you put in it is a little bit of rice vinegar, and you don't have to cover all the cucumbers, just a little bit, a couple tablespoons, just to kind of layer the bottom of the bowl, and then equal amount of sesame seed oil. I think this really actually makes the salad. So about equal amount of sesame seed oil with the rice vinegar, and then salt. And then if your family doesn't mind, we put some crushed red peppers in it, or you could just use regular red peppers. Sprinkle a little bit of that, and that's it. So you mix it all up, and then taste it. Yummy. I hope you guys enjoy.